Have you ever faced a frustrating issue with Git, where everything seems to break down just when you need it the most? If that's you, then stick around because today we're diving into a common Git error: failed to read object. I completely understand how disheartening it can be when you're trying to push your work and Git throws a tantrum. You're not alone in this. Many beginners encounter this issue, and it can feel overwhelming. Let's take a closer look at the specific situation. One user recently shared their experience. They committed and pushed files from another computer, but now on their home PC, Git is broken. They received multiple errors stating failed to read object, followed by an invalid argument. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what does this error mean? Essentially, it indicates that Git is having trouble accessing certain objects in your repository. This can happen for various reasons, including corruption in the .git folder or issues with your local repository setup. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I will share a quick tip that can help you avoid this issue in the future. To begin resolving the issue, the user should first check the integrity of the Git repository. This can be done by running a specific command in the terminal. If the integrity check reveals issues, the next step is to attempt to recover the missing objects. The user can do this by running another command. After expiring the reflog, the user should run a garbage collection to clean up any unnecessary files and optimize the repository. If the problem persists, the user may need to consider cloning a fresh copy of the repository from the remote source. This ensures that they have a clean and functional version. Finally, the user should verify that everything is working correctly by checking the status of the repository and ensuring all files are intact. Fun fact, did you know that Git was created by Linus Torvalds, the same person who created Linux? It's a powerful tool, but even the best tools can have hiccups. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that the issue you're facing is due to a corrupted Git repository. To fix this, you can follow these steps. First, replace the object in .git/ref/heads, my working branch, with .git/log/head and submit the successful object. Next, check your Git status with git status s. If everything looks normal, you can use git k or git log to view your commits. Then run git fs-full to identify any remaining issues. If you find any problems, delete the problematic objects in the Git's objects. Repeat the S command until there are no errors left. This process should help repair your Git repository. For more detailed guidance on fixing corrupted Git repositories, you can check the link provided. Let's move forward and look at another answer. One user faced a similar issue and found a solution using Dropbox's rewind feature. They were able to restore their entire project folder, including the .git folder, to a previous state when everything was functioning correctly. They noted that issues with broken Git repositories can occur due to power outages or other disruptions, making this recovery method quite useful. Here's the tip I promised: regularly back up your repository and keep your local and remote repositories in sync. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the failed to read object error. Remember, Git can be tricky, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.